how to add social media icons on your Squarespace website. So the first thing that we want to do is actually go to settings here once we have the dashboard open. So go to settings, and from the website section, you will be able to see social links. Now, if we click on here, you will be able to see a list of all your social links, which means that you can readjust the order for your social links in which they appear. And you can also add a social link or email right here as well. So if we have, for example, if we want to change any of those, we'll just click on them, left click on them, and we will change it to, the link that we want, and we'll click on save. Now, after we have set up the social links, how do we actually add them onto our Squarespace website? So for this, we will just need to click on edit. Then we'll need to add a new block. We'll search for social, and you will see social links. Now, as you can see, we have successfully added these social links onto our Squarespace website. And if people click them, they will be referred to the link that it links to. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.